Oh man, it feels nice. And yes, this is where we are at. Okay, first I'm going to head into the visitor center, look around, and we'll go take a look at the monument thing. Well, this is the Tri-State Museum. Yeah, a lot of things to look at. Did Abraham Lincoln sit in this chair? It's possible. Lawyers in Lincoln Day rode the circuit, representing clients in various communities. Sometimes they served as judge pro tem, the Latin and legal term for someone who was a judge on a temporary basis. You may have sat in this chair to do that. Woohoo! Okay, that's how the chair came to be here. Yep. Wow. Brontosaurus. Woohoo. Hmm. Wow. Triceratops femur cast, known as Rex, is supposed to do the T-Rex bite marks. Okay, see any teeth marks on it? That must be it there. Hmm. Stan. Hmm. Oh, pretty warm out here. Air conditioned inside. Well, there's the monument down there. A nice back deck here. Yeah, the museum is free. I see a little cabin over here. Go take a look at that first, then head down the steps there. Just came up the stairs there. Man, that's neat. Hmm. Oh. Yeah, do not step on George, our grizzly bear. Wow, he's captured near Sotu, Montana. Huh. Wow. Cool. The wood shingles. Cool little cabin there, and film inside there. It's kind of well, not downstairs. I didn't. It's a little bit crowded with people right now, so I think I'll head down to the center of the nation monument now and take a look at that. Belfast, South Dakota. Geographic center of the nation. Of course, there's the United States with Hawaii over there and Alaska up there. Taken. There we go. I am at the center of the nation. There we go. Okay. There, accomplished that feat. Kind of. Of course, there is something that has to be noted. The actual center of the nation is like about 20 miles away, 20 miles to the north. They have directions for it here. It's on the back of this thing, kind of got the map there. You go about 13 miles north from the Highway 212 and 85 intersection. Old Highway 85, which is gravel. Oh man, I really want to go up there, but I really don't want to go down 7.8 miles of gravel to get to it, though. Because then I have to come back too. That's like over 15 miles. No, 16 miles, something like that. 14 to 15 miles or so. Yeah, we're 15 miles. Oh, on gravel. But what I may do, I may ride up to the intersection at least, just to look at the gravel road and see what it looks like. Well, I don't know. If it gets too bad, I can... If it doesn't look bad, maybe I can go on it. And then if it gets bad, I can turn around. Yeah, I think that's what I'll do. I'm going to ride up to that gravel road. Old Highway 85, it says. Okay, that's what I'm going to go do right now. This is the monument here in Belfouche. Alright, I'm going to go hop on the bike and head up to that intersection. Well, you're probably going to think I'm insane, but take a look at this. There's my bike, and look at that back there. True center of the nation. I am here. I did it. I rode down the gravel road all that way. 8 miles of gravel road coming from that direction. Oh man, I'm the only one out here too. Let me turn this around. Got a little monument set up there. Let's move that out. There, that's how I wanted it. Lens is really dirty and dusty. True center of the nation. And there's the flag out there. And there's the gate. Yeah, and I'm trying to... Okay, let's walk out there. There it is. A pickup approaching the road out there. Okay, this is it. This is the center of the nation right here, of the United States. I am standing. Yeah, since 1959. And there's the survey marker. Yeah. Let's see you flip this here. The center of the nation. I am here. The real center of the nation. Cool. Take a look around this way. Out here in the middle of nowhere. Gosh. Once again, look down at that again. Look up at the flag. There we go. I am here. There's another marker right here. I wonder what that is. Oh, let's turn around this thing. Yep, yeah, there we go. Right here. There's another person walking out here. Probably surprised to see a guy ride a motorcycle out here, Harley of all things. A full dress. There we go. Okay. I'm gonna head back to the bike. I just came back through the gate and returning to the bike, and I'm glad I came out here. It was kind of cool. But I would not do the trip again on a motorcycle, not a second time. But it's a typical gravel road, you know, it's all right. It wasn't bad, so. But I wouldn't do it a second time not on a motorcycle like this one, you know. This one's for the highway. But here we go. I'm going to get ready to hop on the bike and head back to Belfouche. I think I'm going to just go. I saw Taco John's when I rode through town. I think I'll stop in there and eat instead of eating my picnic. Well, I'll have that for supper instead. But okay, talk to you later. Heading out. All right, it's a little after 10 p.m. now, and after Taco John's, all I did was came back to camp. Well, after I picked up a loaf of bread and filled up on gas, of course. But then I edited the video and then just relaxed the rest of the evening until, yeah, I also showered. Yeah, I did that. I showered, and now I'm back in the tent. I have to close out this video, so I figured I better do it now. So, so I can finish editing it and be done with it. So, anyways, tomorrow is the very first day of the Sturgis Motorcycle Rally for 2022. So I've got a lot of things planned. I know what I'm going to do, what I have planned, and so, all right, I'll tune out here, tune off, or however you want to say it. But anyways, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for tomorrow's video.